Hey guys, we're going to be talking about Lego trains today and building a Lego train bridge that can sustain the weight of a train with only Lego, bridging approximately 2 feet. So let's jump right in. One of the joys of having children is having to clear off your Lego table to get started. But I took the old bridge that we can see in a previous video and started to take the different pieces apart and line up the foundation. So as I disassembled everything, I was using a lot of the gray base plates to top the new foundation of the bridge. The key here is to take Lego base plates at least 3 thick to be able to give a good stable support for the weight of a train. So with this foundation, I was able to get everything fitted and balanced. I lined up the track and went to go test it out. And here's where the first issues started coming in. As you can see here, this curve was hanging way off the edge of the track with no support and really just kind of floating out there in the open. So I knew I had to go back and try and make more of an L-shaped bridge. But then throughout the rest of the bridge, I could tell that the line just didn't seem to line up right. I wanted to center the bulk of the straight track right down the middle of the bridge to be able to support the weight, but also to allow me to have enough room to build a decorative wall around each side of the bridge. So as you can tell, there's definitely some concerns with this first attempt, but I took it back and started digging into it again. On the second attempt, I started measuring out the L shape, and there's a few times here where I got up to go test it, and then I was able to get a really good balance on this second attempt, and this test showed me what it was. So I took the Technic brick, which was underneath the old bridge, and lined it right down the center of the bridge. The brick doesn't go on top of the plywood on either side of the table. It's purely there to give a center support and stability so that you have the equivalent of 2 bricks thick under the middle of the train. And then all the decorative wall pieces on the side look very decorative, but in reality, I did 1 line of solid brick along the base to give it the foundation that it needed from the top side to hold those plates together and prevent any buckling from the top. And then the rest was just filler and decoration. And of course, now you have to get to the most important part of building a bridge, and that's testing. So we drove the train back and forth across the bridge a few times to look for any buckling or bending or bowing. And the very first attempt I didn't record, but I identified that the wall was really starting to hit the train right in this area. And so we had to expand the train bridge to be able to accommodate for that. The overall train was able to bridge the gap while maintaining the curve. And as you can see, we just add flourishes like plants and some decorative points on the top to be able to bring it more to life, because just straight bricks sticking out isn't always the best. And so with a couple more tests under its belt, we were able to determine that the train bridge was good to go and certified it as part of our city. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more brick family fun.